Hey guys, we're back at the Cob Barndominium for our third part of our Cob Floor install. Today we're going to talk about some of the prep work I'm doing to get ready for some of the interior walls as I'm working with the Cob Floor, and where we're going to go from here. So this was the last area that didn't get finished on the last video. Never mind this stuff, that's not blood. Stain from upstairs that poured through the floorboard. But we have this piece of the floor here. We finally laid lime down on it. I tamped it twice already. I have not tamped it since the lime coat was applied. And so that's what I'm going to be doing today. It did rain here in Texas, so it's still quite humid, so it's going to take a little while. So one of the next things I'm doing, as you can see, right between this dartboard and this window, at this seam, there's going to be an interior cob wall that comes all the way up here, and it actually comes out here to this edge, and it will help support our loft. And I started carving out the ground, and what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to lay these sandstone rocks that we originally bought to do the foundation of this building with, but we decided not to. We're going to lay that here in this cavity, and you can see it's kind of level here, and then this wall will turn and start heading towards the inside of that window there, and that will make a small stem wall for our interior cob walls. We'll go ahead and give you a view of how the whole cob house looks here. So this is all the floor over here. You'll see that as we walk around, and I've been excavating some dirt, the lime will basically get covered up and turn muddy. I mean, we walk through here with muddy feet and stuff like that. So it won't be bright white the whole time, and I might actually come back on top of it with a little bit of caliche as well, just to tamp it back in. And so what I'm doing right now with all this stuff is I'm moving everything so I can prep this center area to get caliche filled, and that will kind of butt up against this wall that I'm going to build right here, and then I will tamp this in a little bit from both sides, and that will be basically, once I get all of this caliche'd in right here, that will be the end of the base that I put down in preparation for the cob floor. We may not do the cob floor for a few weeks or a month or so, but this is a very important part, and one of the next videos I'm going to probably maybe show a little demonstration of how I intend to prime this to prevent the lime from sucking all of the moisture out of the surface of the cob layer that I attach to it, which will cause delaminations and pockets, and generally just not a good seal. So that's it for the cob floor. We'll probably be doing a regular update video here soon. I'm starting a bookshelf that I'm going to put over one of the windows. And actually, I just did do some work on it, so maybe I'll pause real quick. We'll go up and take a look at what the shelves are going to look like, and then that'll be it for today, guys. So we're up here. This is going to be the base of our bookshelf, and we're going to start building this up and then bridge that gap. And what I have here is nothing special. It's Home Depot lumber. It was a 2x12. And what I did is I took a jigsaw and I cut this little line in here and tried to accentuate this knot, like maybe it was like the live edge and maybe that was a limb or something like that. And I did that on 2 of them. And then just put a little bit of stain and some polyurethane. And they will go up here. And that's it, guys. So, I hope you like some of our projects that we're doing here. Please like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And we'll see you again with Cob Barndominium. Thanks.